mean, median, variance in AI, mean, median, and variance in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI. Systems learn from data. To understand data properly, AI uses statistical measures that summarize and describe datasets. Three of the most important statistical concepts used in AI and data science are mean, median, variance. These measures help AI systems understand the central value of data, how data values are distributed, how much the data varies. Understanding these concepts is essential for beginners learning machine learning, AI, and data science. Why mean, median, and variance matter in AI? When AI models analyze data, they must understand the general behavior of the dataset. These statistical measures help AI summarize large datasets, identify patterns, detect anomalies, normalize data before training models. Example concept. Dataset means statistical analysis means AI model training. Without these measures, AI systems would struggle to understand the structure of the data. Example dataset. Consider this dataset, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. AI systems can use statistical methods to understand the average value, the middle value, how spread out the numbers are, mean, average. The mean is the average value of a dataset. It is calculated by adding all numbers and dividing by the total number of values. Example dataset, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Step 1. Add all values. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 equals 150. Step 2. Divide by number of values. 150 divided by 5 equals 30. Mean, 30. The mean represents the typical value of the dataset. AI models often use the mean to summarize features in datasets. Median. The median is the middle value in an ordered dataset. Step 1. Arrange numbers in order. Example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Step 2. Find the middle number. Median, 30. The median is useful when datasets contain outliers or extreme values. Example dataset, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1000. Mean becomes 220. Median remains 30. This shows that the median better represents the true center of the data in some situations. Variance. Variance measures how much the values in a dataset differ from the mean. It tells us how spread out the data is. Example dataset, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Mean, 30. Now calculate the difference from the mean. Value difference from mean, 10 to 20, 20 to 10, 30 0, 40 10, 50 20. Variance measures how large these differences are overall. Example concept. Small variance means data values close together. Large variance means data values widely spread. Variance helps AI systems understand data variability. Why variance is important in AI? Variance is important because it helps machine learning models understand data distribution, detect unusual values, normalize datasets, improve model accuracy. Example, 2 datasets. Dataset A, 29, 30, 31. Dataset B, 10, 30, 50. Both datasets have the same mean, 30. But dataset B has much higher variance. AI models need this information to understand how reliable the data is. Mean versus median versus variance. Measure what it describes. Mean average value of data. Median middle value of ordered data. Variance how spread out the data is. Together, these measures help AI systems understand the structure of datasets. Example, AI dataset analysis. Consider a dataset of student scores. Student score, A60, B70, C80, D90, E100, mean, 80, median, 80. Variance shows how spread the scores are around the average. AI models analyzing education data could use these statistics to identify average performance, typical student scores, score variability. Python example. Example program calculating the mean. Import NumPy as NP. Data equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Mean equals NP, mean. Data. Median equals NP, median. Data. Variance equals NP.var. Data. Print. Mean. Quote. Mean. Print. Median. Quote. Median. Print. Variance. Quote. Variance. Example output. Mean. 30. Median. 30. Variance. 200. Libraries such as NumPy and Pandas are widely used in AI for statistical calculations. Real-world AI applications. These statistical measures are used in many AI systems. Fraud detection. Banks analyze transaction patterns using statistical measures to detect unusual behavior. Healthcare AI. Medical systems analyze patient data to understand normal ranges and detect anomalies. Recommendation systems. Streaming platforms analyze average ratings and user behavior. Data preprocessing. Before training models, datasets are often normalized using mean and variance. Example concept. Raw dataset means statistical analysis means normalized dataset. Concepts learned from mean, median, and variance. Understanding these measures helps beginners learn. Checkmark how AI summarizes data. Checkmark how data distributions affect machine learning. Checkmark how statistical analysis improves model training. These concepts are fundamental in statistics, machine learning, and data science. Simple definitions. Mean. The average value of a dataset. Median. The middle value when data is arranged in order. Variance. A measure of how far data points spread from the average value. Final summary. Mean, median, and variance are fundamental statistical concepts used in artificial intelligence and data science. The mean represents the average value of a dataset. The median identifies the middle value. And variance measures how spread out the data points are. These measures help AI systems understand data distributions, detect patterns, and prepare datasets for machine learning models. Understanding these statistical concepts is essential for anyone learning AI, machine learning, and data science.